guys, today I'm going to be making honey walnut shrimp. So I have the ingredients written down on my phone. You're going to need a cup of water, 2/3 cups of white sugar, half cup of walnuts, 4 egg whites, 2/3 cups of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of mayo, a pound of large shrimp, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of sweetened condensed milk, and oil for frying. I'm gonna start by whipping the egg whites. While we're whipping the egg whites, we're gonna have our oil heating up already. And you have to do it until it gets all like foamy. Okay, now when they get to about that thick, I guess, that foamy, you're gonna mix the cornstarch with the egg whites. And then keep whisking. Okay, now when it looks about like that, then we're gonna toss the shrimp in to mix it in with this. And then just make sure that they're all coated in this mixture. Okay. It's a little bit watery, so I'm gonna add a little bit more cornstarch because it's supposed to be thick. Yeah, it should be like maybe a little bit thicker. Water, I don't like that. Okay, it's gonna look a little bit sticky like this, but that's fine. Oh shit. Okay. It just needs to be, the shrimp just needs to be fully coated enough to where it has enough batter on it. Then we're gonna come over here and we're going to make sure that the shrimp is like dipped in and kind of let it drip off and then fry it. Then we're just gonna make this a little bit higher. So it should be kind of on high heat. Keep frying them. But make sure that the shrimps are fully coated on each side, so that way the batter doesn't fall off. Like that. They're gonna look a little bit white, but that's okay because the corn is a whitish color. It doesn't really turn. It should be like around that color.
Show them like it?
It should be around this color on each side. And while that's cooking, we're gonna make the sauce that goes on top of it. So we're gonna put.
Wait, on this one, right?
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of the condensed milk and 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm just gonna eyeball it because it's gonna take too long. Okay, about like that. Then I'm gonna add the 1/4 cup of mayo, but I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. It's supposed to be 1/4 cups exact, But I'm just gonna eyeball it because I kind of already know how I like it. Then you just mix it around until it gets not as thick. And you also want to keep an eye on your shrimp because it's gonna cook fast. So let me check on that really quick while my okay, so it's getting there. The sauce should look like something like this. Okay, so the sauce is done. So it should look like this, and it should be this consistency. And while that's doing its thing, we're gonna make the sweet walnuts, the candied walnuts, and we're gonna use a cup of water. Where's my thing? And you could turn this up to a high heat so that it cooks. Oh shit! So that it cooks a little bit faster. And then we're gonna put as many walnuts as you want. And I just kind of eyeball it. There you go. And then you're gonna mix the sugar all over it. Then you're gonna mix it so it gets until it dissolves. It's gonna look like cloudy and then it's gonna dissolve and it's gonna caramelize a little bit. So our shrimps are almost done. They should look kind of, let's see. They should look like this one on both sides basically. Oh, it's almost done. It's taking a little bit longer to cook because it's such a big pan. So, okay, so the walnuts should be looking like this. It's been already like 2 to 3 minutes already, but it's gonna start thickening up a little bit. But it should start looking like this. And then it's gonna turn into like a syrup kind of thing. And then the shrimps, I already started putting some right here. The ones that were finished. They should look like that. They kind of look a little bit clear kind of white type of thing. Here, let me turn them light so you guys can see better. Like that. And then I have the rest of them cooking right here. And we'll be back when they're done. Okay, so the walnuts are supposed to look like this. A little bit sticky. So while we're waiting for that to finish up, we're gonna move the shrimps into another bowl. And we're gonna start mixing the sauce into the bowl. And like that. Then we're gonna start mixing it in so all of the shrimps get coated in the sauce. Just like that. Okay, so throw these in, like all that stuff. Oh shit. Okay. Good. Thank you. Don't put that in the oven. Now we're gonna place the shrimps back into the bowl. Just like that. Then we're gonna take it over here. And we're gonna turn the stove off and then we're gonna get the walnuts from here. You don't really want to put the juice and stuff, so just kind of try to take it out then. Sprinkle the walnuts all over. Just like that. Okay. There you go. And there's the finished product. Oh yeah, perfect. And there's the finished product. The honey walnut shrimp. And cook.